Mr. Shredder, how are you? I don't know how that thing see my face. I hope it's good for now. So let's begin here. Since I'm the guy that got you into RCing, and you start using LiPo battery, I think it's very important that you have one of those things. Because believe it or not, LiPo batteries sometimes get on fire. Yes. So, you need those. Very simple. I told you about a little heating block. I just realized it won't fit in your car, so it's not in there anymore. Sorry about that. Kitchen handle with a little headset light. Oh my God. I thought it was don't feed the bear, but it's area closed. But then again, I think it's pretty much the same things. Oof, it's plugged and it's charging. So this is a little set of tire for the Dromeda. You got some with the pattern a little bit less. They're slightly used. And you got a more aggressive pattern for the rear wheel. Okay. So this is one thing out of the way. See? So and this is out of the way. Have you ever met the little Sumo? This one is a little particular. Okay, now let's see. Oh, 4-wheel steer. Okay, let's press a little knob here. Let's see what happened. Rear wheel steer. Let's press that knob again. Let's see what happened. Front wheel drive. Steer. Sorry. Let's press again. Oh, crabbing. Nah, one hand won't do it here, but trust me, you'll get the hang of it. This thing goes through a pair of jeans that you left on the floor like there's no tomorrow. So, that's part of the little box. Now, this is a good part here, believe it or not, out of all of this, okay? You see the little Janus crawler? If you get a servo, okay, and you put it on the rear wheel drive, basically you could transform Janus crawler to do like this is rear wheel drive. This would be here front wheel steer. First it was rear wheel steer. Front wheel steer. Oh my God, this is hard to say. This is crawling style, and this is 4-wheel light. You see the little thing. You can adapt this controller to the crawly. Okay, if you buy this controller by itself, it's more expensive than if you buy the controller and the Sumo. Because yes, you can buy it separately. So, believe it or not, there's something to do with this. Okay? But I will let you discover it. If you're into it, there's possibility like a million of it for a crawler where you can have it 2-wheel steer, 4-wheel steer, rear wheel steer, front wheel steer, crawl style, you know, like all the wheel turn to the left side or all the wheel turn to the right side. That's the dress I was talking to you for the barrage. It's a Parma you can look pretty much wherever you want. You're gonna find similar. You're gonna find it looks like, but Parma from 1970 in a brand new condition, just painted for you by me. My lines are not perfect on it. I'll be the first one to say, but it's still a nice job. It's red fire truck type, reinforced with a black under, and the wings are gunmetal. I hope you enjoy. It comes with the sticker and all. Alright, so this is my little box for your Christmas. You have fun. Bye. That was me. See you. Kiss Jenna for me. Bye.